This is the last special we are doing before we take you to Addresponse, so I wanted to make it extra special. You know how important list building is, right? If you have a list of the right leads, you have a revenue source that gets you fresh sales day after day, month after month without fail. Send updates about your own products or products from others and earn a commission. Whatever way you choose, profits are a given. The only problem: how to build a responsive list. The thing is, email marketing is overused. Every marketer is building email lists and focusing on emails. That leaves a fresh new opportunity open for the taking. I am talking about Facebook Messenger lists. Recently, Facebook started allowing marketers to build a list using Messenger and send your subscribers notifications that show up as messages in their inbox. You can sign up subscribers from websites using forms just like you get email subscribers. Better still, they don't even have to fill in their email addresses. Once they sign up, you can send them a message anytime you want and it goes right into their inbox. They get a ping on their phone and they can read the message in their inbox just as they read the messages from their friends and family. The result is extraordinarily high open and click rates. Even a small list on Messenger can get you more profits than a big list on email, and Sitecontact PRO is all you need to make this work. Sitecontact PRO is a 100% Facebook-approved service that automates the entire process from subscriber collection to messaging. Think of it as an autoresponder for your Facebook list marketing. With Sitecontact, you'll be building your Facebook marketing lists in no time and taking the advantage away from big email marketers. You'll be in their inbox. Your message will be seen. You'll be the one that makes that sale. Want to see how Sitecontact works? You'll find a demo further down the page. But before you go watch that, I want to remind you, this is the only place to get Sitecontact PRO for a one-time price. If you skip this offer now and try to buy it later from its website, you'll have to pay more and pay it year after year. Buy it here. You'll save a lot of money and have to pay only once. You even get lifetime updates free of cost. So listen, Facebook list marketing is here to stay. If you get Sitecontact here, you get a one-time account for what's going to be the most powerful list marketing system of the future. Do yourself a favor. Grab Sitecontact now instead of paying monthly later. Click on the button below and make it yours.